Welcome to Easy English Learning. Today, you will learn English through a real life situation at a coffee shop. Imagine you are in a new city. You walk into a cafe and want to order a coffee. What should you say? Stay with us until the end because you will learn simple English you can use every day. Emma walks into a small coffee shop. She smiles at the barista. Emma. Good morning, barista. Good morning. What would you like? Emma looks at the menu for a moment. Emma. I'd like a cappuccino, please. Barista. Sure. What size would you like? Small, medium, or large? Emma thinks for a second. Emma. A medium, please. Barista. Would you like hot or iced? Emma. Hot, please. Barista. Anything else? Emma smiles. Emma. Yes, I'd like a chocolate muffin. Barista. Great, your total is $8. Emma pays and says, Thank you. The barista smiles and replies, You're welcome. Your order will be ready in a few minutes. New vocabulary coffee shop. Barista cappuccino medium. Hot muffin repeat after me. I'd like a cappuccino, please. A medium, please. Hot, please. Anything else? Thank you. A few minutes later, the barista calls. Emma, your order is ready. Emma takes the drink and sits down. She takes one sip. Then she smiles politely and walks back to the counter. Emma. Excuse me? Barista. Yes, how can I help you? Emma. I think there is a small mistake. Barista. I'm sorry. What's wrong? Emma. I ordered a hot cappuccino, but this is an iced coffee. The barista looks at the cup. Barista. Oh, you're right. I'm very sorry. Emma. That's okay. Barista. I'll make a new one right away. A few minutes later, the barista returns with a fresh cup. Barista. Here is your hot cappuccino. I'm sorry for the mistake. Emma. Thank you very much. I really appreciate it. Barista. You're welcome. Enjoy your coffee. Emma smiles, takes a sip and says, It's perfect. New vocabulary. Mistake, wrong, right. Sorry, fresh, appreciate, repeat after me. Excuse me. I think there is a small mistake. I ordered a hot cappuccino. Thank you. I appreciate it. It's perfect. Emma enjoys her coffee and sits by the window. A few minutes later, a traveler sits at the next table. He smiles and says, Traveler. Is this seat free? Emma. Yes, please have a seat. Traveler. Thank you. My name is David. Emma. Nice to meet you, David. I'm Emma. David. Are you visiting this city? Emma. Yes, I'm here for a few days. David. What do you like to do in your free time? Emma. I enjoy reading books, listening to music, and learning English. David. That's great. I love traveling and meeting new people. They talk for a few more minutes and become friends. Emma smiles and says,
Traveler's
It was nice talking to
free
you.
time
David replies,
conversation
It was nice
practice.
meeting you too.
Wonderful,
Have a wonderful day.
repeat after me.
Emma leaves the coffee shop with a smile.
Is this seat
She thinks
free?
Every
Nice to
conversation
meet you.
is a chance to
I
practice
enjoy
English.
learning English.
Today's vocabulary
It was
review.
nice talking to
Coffee
you.
shop.
Have
Barista
a
cappuccino.
wonderful day.
Miss Good.